dash a digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie.
I like this.
Okay guys, so here I decided to go ahead and redo this. I have first initially shot this with no baby hairs, talking about the wig, and then once I was editing, I was like, oh no sis, like no. So I decided to go ahead and put some baby hairs in here, and now like I am definitely loving this wig with these baby hairs. Okay, we might be just a little bit dramatic, but y'all can't tell me that light skins don't be doing their baby hairs like this. Because they do. Anyway, so now let me go ahead and go over all the specs. So I don't know the inch to this, but I would definitely leave it on the screen. They sent me a 22 inch cap, and I honestly believe this has to be a large, because as y'all can see when I was cutting how much lace I ended up cutting off the wig. And so yeah, like this is like very, I still have a lot of room in the back. So I am normally a size 22, which is a medium. I would definitely recommend you going a size smaller than normal. This is definitely big head friendly. So if you are a big head person, yes, y'all have definitely been waiting on me to review some wigs that are big head friendly, and this is it. And so this is actually my first time reviewing a silk base closure, and I want to say this has to be like a 5 or a 6. I will leave that also on the screen, but yes, this either has to be a 5 or a 6. I know this is their Brazilian straight, of course. Now, as you can see, I ended up getting a snag. This hair does tangle just a little bit. I would say about like a 1 when it comes to tangling, about a 1 when it comes to shedding or whatever. I did not bleach the knots. The knots are not visible. So, you know, usually when you get a lace front on, the knots are like sometimes very, very, very visible, and you will need to go in and bleach them. No. And so that's why I said this is definitely a beginner friendly wig, but only to the point that I feel as though their plucking on this wig was not how usually their plucking on other wigs are. I definitely had to go in and pluck this wig. This wig was like, oh my goodness. And I feel as though that is the only thing they are missing with this wig. Like, if they ended up getting that pre-plucked down, baby, let me tell you something. Not having this, like, this looks like, do y'all see this? Sis, this looks like scalp. And so on the light, it might be making it, let me see if I could turn the light down. Yeah, the light might be making it come just a little bit lighter. But in person, it's not that light. Now, if they ended up coming with, let me turn this back up. If they ended up coming out with different colors, like, okay, so how this is this color, and I feel as though if they went like a tad bit darker, like a dark brown, not a dark brown, but like a tan a little bit, just not so prominent. Like, hey, look at me, I'm scalp. Like, I know that's what we want, but sometimes some people don't want, like, they don't want it to look artificial and look fake. Now, in person, it doesn't look that bad. To me, I feel as though is that if they just went just a little bit darker, like, this would just be like the best wig ever, hands down. So this is also is natural luster. I have no products in this at all. And let me go ahead and do like this side. And as you, I don't know if you can see, maybe I don't know how it's showing in the back, but this is definitely a big wig. Let me know, have you ever tried a silk base closure? Will you ever try silk base closure? If you definitely want to buy this, let me know. Come back to this video and let me know how you felt about the wig that you received. I definitely love this company. I have worked with them before, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.